friends, welcome to Noor Daily English. Today we're going to the zoo with family. We'll learn about animals. Stay with me.
Yay, the zoo! Wow, it's changing! Yeah!
Wow, look at all the balloons!
Which animal do you like the most? Comment below.
Wow, look at the gate.
Hello, welcome to the zoo! Let's go inside! All right, family, let's go!
Wow, it's so big! Look at all the animals!
It's amazing, isn't it?
I love the zoo!
Wow, this place is huge.
It really is. So many animals.
Look at all the giraffes and lions!
Wow, the lion is so big.
Don't cry, Bill. I can help you.
Watch out, Anna.
But he likes it!
Now get back.
We want 4 tickets, please.
A wonderful day for the zoo! I can't wait to see the lions!
Here you go, enjoy.
Adult tickets $5 each. How old are the children?
This is Tim, he's 5.
And I'm 29. I'm 5!
Perfect. Anna is 10, Noor is 12, and Bill is 6.
Got it. 2 adults and 3 children.
Children under 10 are free. You only need 3 tickets.
Oh, that's great.
What a nice surprise! Yay!
Enjoy the zoo.
Let's count together. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy the zoo.
We will! A lion! And a giraffe!
Oh no, my teddy.
Stay back, I'm going!
Anna, it is very dangerous. Stay away from the angry lion cage.
Wow, a monkey!
Careful, Noor.
The phone!
Ah, got it.
Yay, Daddy!
Here you go, Bill.
Yeah! So cute!
He missed you.
Look, monkeys!
Noor, stay back from the monkey cage.
I am sorry, Mom and Dad. I will not do that again.
Good girl, Noor.
It is my fault. I also dropped the teddy bear near the lion cage before. I'm also saying sorry.
It's okay, son. I'm happy that you are all safe.
This is going to be great.
The best family day. Yay! Hug! I love this! Me too! This is an elephant. It is very big. Giraffe has a long neck. Wow, look at his stripes. The monkeys are funny! The monkeys are funny!
This is a bear. It is very strong.
Wow, so strong!
Yes, very strong.
The birds are beautiful!
This is a crocodile. It is dangerous.
Why is it dangerous?
It has very sharp teeth.
The deer is nice.
Yes, very gentle.
They seem to like us.
So cool!
The tiger is very strong.
I like the kangaroo.
The rabbit is cute.
This is a hippo. It is big.
The sheep is soft. Yeah, it's so fluffy.
Thank you for watching.
We learned English words about animals and daily life.
Don't forget to subscribe. See you
Next time.
Thank you, friends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Noor stories.